Today I'm going to be talking about Blueland. It is an innovative, eco-friendly brand that was created to stop the use of single-use plastics when it comes to our cleaning supplies. If you're like me, you've become more conscious about what you purchase and what you put in your home. And once your eyes are open to how much single-use plastics we consume yearly, then you kind of can't turn your eyes away from that anymore. According to Blueland's mission, 14 billion pounds of trash is dumped into the ocean each year. This trash is breaking down into small, tiny pieces of plastic that is now showing up in our food and water supply. It's also showing up in our animals and marine organisms. 90% of the water we drink and 33% of the fish we eat contains microplastics. Scientists have predicted that by the year 2050, the ocean will contain more plastic by weight than fish. Blueland works by initially purchasing a tablet along with the refillable bottle designed to accompany that tablet. So once you purchase the bottle and the tablet, you can just fill that bottle with warm water, place the tablet inside of the bottle with the water, and let the tablet dissolve to then become your non-toxic cleaning product. This product can be used until you run out, in which case you would then go back to Blueland's website and purchase the same tablet for only $2 per tablet. In the end, you would never need to throw away that bottle that you initially purchased from Blueland. It can be refilled for the rest of your life and it will never end up in a recycling bin. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes and the little pods still haven't fully dissolved yet. This guy, I think, fully dissolved. There's just little tablet remnants on the bottom. Let's see if I can shake that up. Who you staring at? Okay, perfect. So I think it's fully dissolved. Ooh, it's so foamy up top. Okay. Let me mix this a little bit. Maybe it'll dissolve. Yeah, so the multi-surface cleaner only took like 15 minutes to fully dissolve in medium to hot water. The foaming hand soap is taking a little bit longer. You got some little crusties at the bottom. But whenever it fully dissolves, then I'll show you guys the final product. Washing my hands. All right, guys, I got tired of waiting for the hand soap to fully dissolve. So I just put the lid on and then began shaking it. But this bottle leaks pretty bad. You see, I shook it just now and the foam starts coming out. Just FYI, in the future, don't shake the bottle. All right, guys, so we are here to wash some hands. You see, I have my hands here. I have the Blueland foaming hand soap. I'm going to wet my hands, and we're going to just put on one pump of this hand soap and see what that does. Got a little sudsy. I like it. I like it. Smells nice. It's a very faint, light smell. I think I got the scent Iris Agave. Now, I quickly realized that this hand soap does not get as foamy with just one pump. I read on a review somewhere that it takes at least 2 to 3 pumps to get a desired foaming effect with the hand soap. So I'm just going to rinse my hands and then reapply the hand soap with 2 pumps now to see how foamy that gets. Really foamy, really nice. I like it so far. So with 2 pumps, I think it's very satisfactory. I could even get by with 1 pump, but if you want it to be very foamy, I think 2 pumps is your deal. I'm just going to wash my hands for the recommended 20 seconds as it should, because this is a COVID era we're living in right now. People wash those hands. According to Blueland's website, 1 tablet makes 9 ounces of hand soap cleaner in their glass reusable bottle. One thing to note is that Blueland's soaps are not antibacterial. However, the website does claim that the surfactants in their hand soap products effectively wash away harmful bacteria and viruses. When it comes to the foaming hand soap, I would give this product a 7 out of 10. I do like that it has a nice light scent and I would be inclined to try Blueland's other scents that they have to offer. It does take 1 to 2 pumps in order to get your preference of foaming action. My 2 main cons with this hand soap would be that 1, the pump dispenser leaks very easily, even if you shake it or move the hand soap only a little. And 2, it takes about 45 minutes to an hour for the tablet to fully dissolve, even in warm to hot water. So if you were using cold water to dissolve this tablet, like, yeah, don't even think about it. And it isn't necessarily a huge negative that it takes that long to dissolve for me. But if you are someone who is buying this tablet and you're expecting it to dissolve in 10 to 15 minutes and hoping to use it by then, you're sadly mistaken. It's going to take a little bit of time to fully dissolve and be able to use. But yeah, overall, I would recommend this hand soap, and I do like it. It's a fairly good hand soap, and I love the packaging, apart from the leaky pump dispenser. Okay, so I'm about to do some laundry today, and I just wanted to show you what our normal laundry detergents look like. We use Tide Pods. We also have this huge Arm & Hammer for sensitive skin laundry detergent, a humongous bottle, and it's just so big and clunky. Hold on, I have to organize it just to get it back in. So today we're going to use the Blueland laundry detergent tabs and see how they work out. When it comes to the laundry starter set, I received 1 reusable steel tin along with 40 fragrance-free laundry tablets. These laundry tablets are formulated to clean many types of fabrics, both natural and synthetic. Blueland does claim that their tablets are able to work on a range of common stains, and they should be okay for use by those even with sensitive skin. On Blueland's website, they claim that in a year, the average home will go through 275 laundry packs individually wrapped in small plastic. With my partner and I specifically, we tend to purchase Tide Pods, which are great at cleaning, and we usually use about 2 of those packs for 1 large load of laundry. My partner does have eczema, so we both have to watch out for specific laundry supplies, and we cannot use too high of a concentration of each of those laundry supplies. So although we are quite the stinky family because we exercise and work out a lot, his skin can easily become irritated and break out. And when I say laundry supplies, I mean using too much laundry detergent, too much fabric softener, products that are highly fragranced, only because that could cause him to have an outbreak afterwards. Okay, so I just took the clothes out of the wash, and I don't think the laundry detergent cleaned it well enough. This is a rug that we use, or a bath mat that we use. Normally I clean it once every 2 weeks, and I have another bath mat that I replace in the meantime. So this only gets used probably once a month for 2 weeks max. And every time I clean it with the Tide Pods, it comes out. These dirt marks come out very easily. So I think these laundry tabs just don't clean as well as I wanted them to clean. Okay, so I'm going to rewash this load of clothes, and I'm going to do something different this time. Instead of putting the tablet in first, I will just put it on top. Maybe the pressure of the water will come down and hit the tablet and make it dissolve faster. I don't know. Let's just see if this works or not. Yeah, let's give it a try. And as you see, the washing machine filled up and it's still not soapy at all. So that is a problem, unfortunately. I went and got my Tide Pods because I can't risk wasting more money trying to get these clothes to be clean. So when it comes to the laundry tablets, I would only give it a 5 out of 10. Yeah, If you are someone who has to wash your laundry in cold water like myself, then I would not recommend these tablets. If you are able to wash your laundry in warm or hot water, then these tablets would be perfectly fine. However, I don't want to put a tablet into cold water and it takes 15 to 17 minutes roughly to fully dissolve. By that time, my wash is over halfway done and there's no point in using the tablet in the first place. I also feel like it would require 2 tablets to even fully clean even a medium size load. I didn't feel 100% comfortable and confident that my clothes were clean after using only 1 tablet, even on a small to medium size load. I just didn't trust it at the end of the day. Lastly, I know that a fresh scent or fresh smelling clothes doesn't necessarily equate to cleaner clothes. However, in the future, it'd be nice if Blueland was to come out with a scented version of their tablet. I understand that an unscented version is necessary, especially people who have very sensitive skin or weakened skin barriers. But it would be nice to have a fresh linen or a floral scent to their tablets in the future, hopefully, Blueland. So overall, I wouldn't recommend this product unless you have warm or hot water. I'm not going to let these tablets go to waste. However, I can continue to use them on fabrics or clothes that need hand washing. And I could, if I wanted to, dissolve the tablet in hot water before I put it into the washing machine as it's filling up with water, but I didn't pay for that type of product. So that's not going to sway my opinion on its efficiency to clean clothes. I just see that as a possibility to not be as wasteful and to be able to utilize these tablets. But overall, I just do not trust these tablets to fully clean my clothes the way I want it, which is why I give it a 5 out of 10. Okay guys, so you're actually here in my kitchen. I'm on the back camera, so this might not be as good of quality. You're about to see me wash some dirty dishes. Yes, I did not wash dishes last night just for this video. So we're gonna see if this Blueland dish soap actually does what it says it does. Let's hope it cleans as well as Dawn or some other harsher dish soaps, because I really want to like this product. So follow me along as I do my dishes. Yay, fun. When it comes to the dish soap, you get 16 ounces of a fragrance-free powdered dish soap. This soap is formulated to clean dishware, glassware, silver, and porcelain. That gets pretty soapy. Cool. It's actually pretty sudsy water, and I didn't use that much, so that's awesome. But let's see if it can clean. When it comes to the dish soap, all of its ingredients are naturally derived. Many of these ingredients function as ways to break down grime and grease on your pots and pans and act as surfactants to properly clean your dishware. That's not bad, actually, for my pots and my pans. It doesn't look greasy at all afterwards. See? Okay. I'm impressed, Blueland. You have my attention. The dish soap itself isn't revolutionary. However, when comparing it to other quote-unquote cleaner dish soaps that you can find in the supermarket, this dish soap was great at removing oil and grease buildup on pots and pans, which is my biggest critique for most cleaner dish soaps, because they can't do the same job that Dawn can normally do at getting rid of that oil and grease buildup. So this Blueland dish soap impressed me because it was able to do that. Another way of using this dish soap is if you put it directly onto a wet sponge. So I'm going to test that out real quick, because this is the thing that goes in our air fryer and it gets greasy really easily. So I want to see if it can really cut down on the grease. So. Hey guys, okay, so when it comes to the dish soap, I would give it overall an 8 out of 10. I felt like it picked up oil and grease and food particles fairly easily, and it suds up really quickly, even with using a little product. And that's something my partner even noticed when he used the product, and he didn't know that I was doing a whole YouTube experiment with it. So I'm not the only one who really likes this dish soap. I, of course, think if you have some really tough grime on your dishware, then you should, of course, let it soak in warm water for a little while. But that's something I do with any of my dish soaps. It's not just Blueland's dish soap that would get that type of treatment. So overall, it's a really nice, solid product that I would highly recommend if you want to check it out. All right, so we have our multi-surface cleaner, a rag that I'm going to use. Let's get to it. So I'm going to try and get these areas cleaned up with the multi-surface cleaner, this area right here, just the entire cabinet in general. Let's see how quickly that cleans that up. When it comes to the multi-surface cleaner, one tablet will make 20 ounces of cleaner in their reusable, apparently shatterproof refillable bottle. This tablet comes in a fresh lemon scent and it is able to clean countertops, tile, stone, and wood. The formula is said to effectively eliminate greasy and grimy messes. Oh, it's coming off slowly but surely. This is just a really sticky part of the kitchen because it's right next to the stove. A lot of oil accumulation here. According to Blueland's website, the average home will go through 30 single-use plastic bottles of cleaner each year. Many of Blueland's products are classified as EPA Safer Choice and USDA Bio Preferred. This multi-surface cleaner is classified as both of those things. And of course, Blueland is Leaping Bunny certified, meaning it's cruelty-free. Like, who has time to clean this part of their cabinet so meticulously all the time? No one really has that type of time. So this is a pretty difficult area to even kind of clean in the first place. But the multi-surface cleaner did an okay job. I'm not going to say it was great, but it, you know, for a product like this that's without a lot of harsh chemicals, I think it's doing a pretty solid job at getting surfaces cleaner. Is it perfect? No, I don't think so, but I do think it is a nice, solid, multi-surface cleaner that is capable of getting off old stains with a little bit of elbow grease, and it's able to get off oil spots and places that get a lot of wear and tear from cooking and stuff like that. So with the multi-surface cleaner, I would give it an 8 out of 10. I'm pleasantly surprised. I'm going to be honest, I had low expectations going into this experiment for the cleaner. I just wasn't as excited for it as I think I am now. I will say I remember reading a Blueland review online that said the lemon scent of this cleaner mixed with the smells of the things that she or he was cleaning, when those smells mixed together, it made kind of a really odd, funky smell. And I do have to agree. The lemon scent isn't bad. It's nice by itself, but when mixed with other things, it's really funky. It's a little bit off-putting of a smell. Just FYI, if you are planning to buy this and you're sensitive to smells, it could maybe, you're not really gonna like it. It's not overbearing, it's not bad, it's just there and you notice it. And unlike the hand soap dispenser, the nozzle on the multi-surface cleaner doesn't leak even if you shake the bottle aggressively. And the tablet only took around 10 to 15 minutes to fully dissolve in warm to hot water, which is great. So you can get to using it pretty immediately. All right, guys, that is my overall first impressions and review of my purchase from Blueland. I would say for an average rating, Blueland got a 7 out of 10 for me on these experiments. And looking at Blueland from an overall aesthetic viewpoint, Blueland is a very good looking brand, meaning if they were to tweak a few things, such as their hand soap dispenser, it would be a brand that's able to mix style and sustainability together into one, which I think for many people is something that's very appealing. It makes you want to use their products and clean and be more conscious about what you are purchasing and using in your home and for the environment. So overall, from a business standpoint, Blueland is doing a pretty good job. So yeah, guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please hit that like button down below. If you have any help onto using some of these products, then please leave it down in the comments below. If you want, please subscribe to this channel. You don't have to, but you can if you want. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of the day wherever you are in this world. Go clean something. Go pet a dog. I don't know. Enjoy your life. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.